Good morning, pretty. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning, pretty. Good morning. Willie, what's up? Good morning, Willie. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Tywin.
Good morning.
Why you stress me out?
Because Jamaican come. Yes.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think
It's cold outside. A woman's worth, a woman's worth. I'm by your side. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Great. Who is in charge of subscribing to my channel? You are? The reason I'm recording today is because I'm having a promotion on my channel. And I know once you watch the video, you're definitely gonna love it. The proof is in the content, right? Right. Mad enough. Hi guys, I'm going to show you the river this morning. We're going to the river to shower. So this is how we wake up at like 6:30 now. And we're heading to the river. Tywin run gone. Take a little shower. You know, almost a little meditation by the riverside. The air quality here is so clean. You know, sun just a come up and bathe things. So it's perfect. Perfect, I tell you. I'm gonna turn the camera around actually so you guys can see everything. Okay? I'm coming. Morning them ready. Morning. No water in there. I lie. I ain't enough water down there. I'm gonna turn around the camera. It smells so nice. Run.
Yes, okay.
Mind a job. I want there's no fish in it. Where? Who tell you? It's close outside. A woman's work. Tywin, can you go down? You're too nasty. Come here, come hold this to me. Come in a one drop. Hold this to me. Now drop in, please. Hold it properly. Yeah, I am gonna take a shower. Right there is deep, Tywin. Woo, I don't cool. Might come back and cook by the river. Up there is deeper. So guys, the water is so cold. The good thing about living in the countryside is the air quality. Give me that. Let me carry. Give me it. No, this one.
Why?
Because you can't manage it apparently. The air quality is so clean. Yesterday the water did not fall because the river did just come down. Today water kind of dry down, but the water still clean and fresh and so. So, watch your calf. Oh, right here, so kind of a little.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
Only puppy.
Are we gonna come now? Wow. Hmm? You're trying to close up. Take a bit short. Go on down some more. Go on down some more. Come on, now go back down there, sir. No, you don't want to wake up me. We're going to go to a little section down there.
Boy.
Let's go, come on, boy. Hey, we know your clothes. Go back for your clothes, boy. Come on, River, not forget your clothes. Kim. Me gone left. And you rag. Where your shoes? Okay, where you left it for? You know Crocs are wear?
No.
Why you never wear Crocs, boy? No fish?
I want.
No.
We can't see, man. No, man.
Hmm?
But when we come, some more glass in here.
Take time. Let me ask you. Go on the night. Go on go lay down, you know.
Down. This?
Yeah.
Oh.
Out of. Go on. No, go down the deep part and turn around. Yeah. Hurry up now, dude. Turn around to me. To me. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, sir?
Long way.
Long way, sir?
No. You put them down there, so. And you head up here, so.
Oh, that,
For your belly.
oh, for my belly, sir.
Mm-hmm. Did they under his place this time? Come on video.
No.
Come on video. What up, guys? You don't know it's Punki representing for Skylife TV. Yes, I know it's been a minute. But yeah.
Like a YouTuber. You're a YouTuber? You're a YouTuber? We're rain falling. Dog. And a single?
And if you have 10 toes,
Oh, you got tiring?
fingers and 10 toes.
I know.
Alright, come and do this. Just as long as you stay
For me. You're swift, man.
Let me see a video on YouTube. Like you say.
Time when you're cold.
Like them I say. I think you were supposed to do everything in a rush. You ever
Let's
see?
see it in our record, Mel.
My one not record it.
No, and the battery dead. Put it.
Your private part out the door.
Yeah, me just remember.
See, I go on YouTube, they lock me up. I look so cool, guys. The water is definitely so cool. I love living in the countryside. Good water, clean, fresh, good for my skin. Because I'm telling you something that break out. So I feel fresh and clean now. So we're gonna go up. It was a good day having a shower at the river at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Nothing feels better. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification and bell. You don't know you got Melica Skylife in the building. Yo! I want them.
Karen.
The Bible popped out of there.
I'm not sure.
So, put on a fan.
You're cool?
Let's put a door, bros. You know how to put on the phone.
No, bossy, what you have to say? You have to say to we vlog.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. I'll see you on next year, though.
Alright. You're cool? Hmm?
Go eat something.
I thought you worry about eat something.
Yeah, you can eat.
The book go eat, kind of eat.
Tell me, soap you're supposed to carry.
Where's soap, the boy? Where's soap?
Melt out now.
Carry in a bag, in a leaf, see me.
Carry my leaf. Are you ready to soap, son? Go on.
I know you soon see me. I'm in the cold, you know, guys. Man.